আবার নতুন করি Congratulations, my dear learners, disciples and students. I am very happy to have you for being the students of this college. Heartiest congratulations. First, I would like to give my introduction. My name is K. Abdul Motin, lecturer in English at Chilmari Women's Degree College. Okay, I would like to give you some ideas on the importance of learning English in the very beginning class. So English is a very important key subject. It is an international language. Now it is a global key language because it is used globally. Its importance cannot be described in key words. So we are bound to learn English very well. But it is a matter of key so that most of our students are weak and they don't like to know English very well. So if a student want to learn English very well, he or she has to master as many as 4 skills, and the skills are reading, writing, listening and speaking. Reading means to read English very well with correct pronunciation everywhere, and writing means to write English with correct pronunciation following the key structures. Okay, and listening means to listen something with key understanding. That means if anybody speaks before you have to understand listening his or her speech. Okay, and speaking is very key important. If you face any situation there, you have to use English very well. You have to present yourself before them speaking in English. But in communicative English, among the 4 skills, there are 2 skills are key importance. That means communicative English puts highest importance on listening and speaking. You may have reading or writing skills or not. It doesn't matter. Matter is to listening and speaking. Okay, so but it is a matter of so that students are very unwilling to learn English very well. A reason why they always cut a sorry figure in the examination and make a bad result in the final examination. I would like to suggest you in the very beginning class that most of the time you have to keep relations with the books written in English if you want to have good skills. Otherwise you will be dull and cannot cut a good figure in the examination, and ultimately a bad result will come. Okay, thank you.